My name is Mi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I customize these Air Max. As always, we're gonna start with the prepping of the sneakers. We're gonna use gloves. To prep these sneakers, I'm gonna look at all the areas I want to paint on, and these are the areas I'm gonna polish over. Like, I'm gonna remove the factory paint so the color will stick better. Now that we're done with the prepping, we're on to the sketching now. Okay, I finished the sketch for the inside and now I'm gonna color it in. So I thought I might take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about my art journey while I paint. I didn't always think I'd be doing this. Honestly, there were so many times I questioned if I should even keep going. Art was something I always loved doing, but turning that into something real, something I could make money with, that felt impossible for like my whole life. So let me take you way back. It all started during COVID, when we were not allowed to go outside. My boyfriend had asked me to paint sneakers for his sister and himself, and I posted these online. So friends of mine saw it, friends of friends saw it, and they were impressed and wanted to buy customized sneakers for themselves and were willing to pay me money for it. That was the start of everything, and I couldn't be more grateful and thankful for it. But believe me, there were so many moments where I doubted myself, especially when I would scroll through social media and see all these insanely talented people, and I would just feel small compared to them. But I think that's something every artist felt along his or her way, a journey of being a self-employed artist. I found my passion in doing something I love and making people happy with it. That's like the whole point of why I'm doing it, why I was still going, although I was spiraling a lot. But after every commission, seeing the happy faces of the people who bought a sneaker of mine or a piece of mine just fulfilled me, and that's when I knew I was doing something right and I'm on the right path. This journey also allowed me to do commissions for Toni Kroos, Nick Woltemade, Luciano, and so many more. And I even received job offers as a graphic designer just because I kept going. Anyway, back to the sneakers. I was watching the last season of Demon Slayer in the background. But I've never watched Dragon Ball before, so that made the sketching quite difficult because I didn't know which character is which, because they have like dozens of forms, and that's why I had trouble doing the composition, and I had to rearrange it so many times because I always mixed up all these characters like Goku and Vegeta, but somehow I managed it. It's been a day since we started painting and we are almost finished. This is what they look like. I really like how these turned out. For the next step, we're gonna use this little airbrush machine. It's my favorite tool. It's so much fun. Now that we added the lightning, we're done. Now the only thing that we have to do is to make the sneakers water and scratch resistant. And we're gonna use this finishing product. Safety first, guys. As you can see and probably hear, I changed the location because of the lightning. I finished the sneakers and I took some pictures outside, so that's why we're here right now. Are you ready for the results? Ooh, drum roll. As I told you, I've never watched Dragon Ball, but I might start now because these are crazy. I'm really proud of myself. But I love every commission I make. So that's that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it a bit. And I think I'll see you next year. Bye bye.